Good morning. So before I do anything, I like to thank God for waking me up this morning because the day is not promised. Then I go in the kitchen and make me some coffee because your girl, she never been a morning person and she do not do mornings. Now while that brews, I like to finish getting ready and brush my teeth. And y'all, how many people put the toothpaste while it's dry on the toothbrush? Like, I cannot do it. I like to wet it, then put the toothpaste, then wet it again. As y'all can see, I finished my eyebrows off camera, or I did them off camera because it takes the longest. And now while my edges are being laid, I like to finish my eyes and do something natural because I'm finna be late. So first I use a light brown, then a medium brown, then a dark brown so it can be kind of smoky and natural. Pause. Can we take a moment and look at my skin? Like, look at my skin. So here I'm using a red concealer because, as y'all can see, I have hyperpigmentation. No, it's not a mustache, but I hate it, so I have to cover it up a little bit. So we had a malfunction. I couldn't show y'all my outfit at first because I was late to my first day. Don't tell my mama. But yeah, we had to walk, and I wasn't super late. I was just 15 minutes late, and she had to know to let us out early. But anyway, this is my outfit. Completed. It's just a what's it called? PrettyLittleThing shirt. It's oversized. Rocco crying. Anyway, it's oversized. This is as well. It's from what is this called? PrettyLittleThing. My bad. And y'all, look at this tan. I can't believe it. I hate tans. But anyway, yep, shoes from Nike. It's just something simple. You know me. Oh. Y'all, this is my first time using a tripod. So, ooh. Y'all have to bear with me. But yeah, this is my fit to finish it. So I guess I'm gonna end it here because, yeah, my makeup all sweated. My edges sweated out. But you know, I'm gonna take pictures. And then I'll take all this off. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. To my top supporters, you are loved. Love everybody. Now look at this. Okay, anyway. Bye, you guys.